We always hear that milk is good, and we believe most of us also pushed to drink milk by our parents when we are still children. Milk is not only one of the most nutrition-packed drink but also has a good taste for many people, which is why it is also made into various beverages. However, does children really need to drink milk? In today's PediaSure vs enfagrow article, we are going to give you information regarding these popular toddler milk brands and what they can offer to your children. American Academy of Pediatrics recommend that it is best for toddler to drink 2 glasses of milk per day. But you can choose whether to give whole or reduced fat milk if there is problem with weight, and even if you give them milk, it doesn't mean they won't need to eat balanced diets, since they will still need to consume other foods to support the growth. About PediaSure. Between those many brands out there and the choice to give either whole milk or reduced fat milk, parents can also choose to give their kid a milk-based nutritional shake to help their children get the right nutrition. One of the most popular brand of nutrition drink for children is PediaSure, and depend on where you live. In the US, the brand has Grow and Gain Shake that is claimed to be clinically proven to help kid grow and perfect for those falling behind in growth. They offer the shake in both ready-to-drink bottle and powder form that you can mix with water. Besides being able to help promoting healthy grow in children, the shake also comes in a wide variance of flavor made from natural flavoring like chocolate, strawberry and vanilla, but they also offer flavor made with artificial flavoring in s'mores variant. Another good thing is it is not made with cow's milk that has been treated with RBST, so parents with concern against the issue can feed their kid with ease. About enfagrow. Another popular brand of toddler milk is enfagrow, which is brand under infant stage nutrition, but instead of made for infant below 1 year old, it is made for older children. It is claimed as a nutritional drink for growing toddlers and is a good choice as a transition from formula or breast milk. What makes it special is because unlike regular cow's milk, this one is enriched with other beneficial nutrients for overall development. They offer both ready-to-drink liquid and milk in powder form. Comparison. Now, let's compare PediaSure with enfagrow. As you can see, both of them are made with beneficial ingredients to supply the nutrients needed by your children. What set them apart the most is because PediaSure is made for children with lacking growth, so it has higher calories, fat, carbohydrate and protein than enfagrow, which is mainly made to support growth and supply the DHA to help brain's development. Conclusion. All in all, the decision is all yours to make. In our opinion, both of them are made for different children, and it is easy to choose the right one for your children since you will need to match it with their need. If your children is underweight or lacking in growth, you should choose PediaSure, but if they are healthy, enfagrow can help supply other important nutrition.